Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to edit photo on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit a photo on TikTok, first we'll be required to open the TikTok app itself. And from over here guys, in order to edit a photo on TikTok, first we'll be required to either capture a photo or upload it. We'll be just capturing, and in order to proceed from over here guys, you'll be required to tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen. Let's tap on it. And over here guys, you will be able to take your photo from over here. I'll be just taking a photo of my mouse over here, and let's take it, and let's go back. You can also upload it. If you look at the right side of the screen, you can see the upload button available for us. You can do whichever you like. And in order to proceed from over here, you can either flip your photo. Also at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the flash ratio and there is the beauty mode on over here, and you can choose all of these before you click your photo. But if you have uploaded it, it's on you. Let's take a photo now guys, a simple one. Now from over here guys, in order to edit your photo, either you can see the edit button at the top right corner of the screen, just below the message icon. Tap on that edit button and you will be able to add some sounds over here. You can make this photo into a video up to 9 seconds. You can see, you can cut it, you can add sounds by over here from the bottom of the screen. You can cut it, you can split it guys, you can crop it. You can see there are the crop option available for us, rotate option. You can delete this and put another one over here also, and you can also replace that. You can smart trim it, you can do a lot of trimming over here. Let's tap on save, and after doing these edits on your TikTok, and you can see you can add your sound, you can add a voiceover, sound effects, add some music, you can add some text from over here if you want to. You can see, let's tap on the done. You can choose whatever text you like. You can see there are effects over here, and the trending effects are all over here. New effects, you might want to choose them according to your taste and according to your photo. And after that, let's go back, let's tap on the tick mark, and again over here guys, after the effects there are some overlays available. You can choose these overlays by uploading another photo, how do you want to overlay it, and you can see the sound sync option over here. And after going through all of these buttons, make sure which one the effects and the edits you done, choose your photo best, and after that tap on the save at the top right corner. And you can see add some stickers over here, another text over here. You can see your filters over here. You can do a lot of things from over here at the top right corner of the screen. And with that being done guys, go through all of these effects to make sure that you are doing it correct, or you want to find out more. You can see all of the stickers which you might want to use on TikTok, and there are some templates over here also. TikTok will process it for you itself. And with that being done guys, after trying all of these things, you will be able to edit your photo on TikTok with the things you want to do on TikTok. And from over here guys, after editing your photo, either you can post this photo to your TikTok account or TikTok profile, or you can just save it. To do that, again at the top right corner you can see the drop down arrow, scroll down, you can see the save option available for us. After you have done all of your edits, either you can post it or just save it guys, it's on you. And with that being said guys, this is how to edit photo on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.